Dear 6th standard students, I welcome you all to this video session of mathematics. I know you all are very interested in maths. So listen this video carefully and you will understand these exercises. Look at the chapter 1, numbers. Here we remind successor and predecessor. Successor, the word success means next number, that means we add 1 to the numbers, and predecessor, pre means previous number, that is we subtract 1 from that number. Successor, so for example 56, what is the successor of 56? Add 1 to the number, we get 57, that is the successor. And predecessor, predecessor of 56 means subtract 1 from the number, so we get 55, that is the predecessor. And then smallest and greatest number. How will you find out the smallest and greatest number? Numbers 1, 2, 3 up to 9, these are one digit number. Which one is smallest in here? In one digit number, 1 is the smallest number and 9 is the greatest one. And then after 9 it becomes 2 digits, that is 10, 11, 12 up to 99. These are 2 digit numbers. In 2 digit number, which one is smallest? 10 and greatest one 99. Again after 99, 3 digits will start. So that is 100, 101, 102 up to 999. So smallest one is 100 and greatest one is 999. Now from this we know smallest and greatest number in every number of digits. Now for one digit number, smallest is 1 and greatest 9. 2 digits 10, greatest 99, and 3 digits smallest is 100 and greatest is 999. So 6 digits smallest number, how will you write that? The first number is 1 and the other numbers are 0. So 1 lakh is the smallest 6 digit number and greatest number means 9. So that means 6 digit greatest number means 9,99,999. Now we learn two system of numeration. First one, Indian system and international system. In Indian system, the place values are ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. That is our Indian system. And then international system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, and then billion will come. Indian system, the commas are put as first 3 digits before and after 2 digits before you put commas. So how will you read that? 9 crores, 28 lakhs, 75,321. So in number names, 9 crore, 28 lakhs, 75,321. Don't put commas in number names. International system, 3 digits before we put commas here. So how will you write that? 235,768,920. So 235,768,920. Now look at the exercise 1.1. Third sum. complete the given order. First 10 crore, 10 lakh. After that, what will come? 10 crores. So it is in Indian system. Write the Indian system number places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So they given like the 10 crores, then crore, then 10 lakhs. After that we write lakh, 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens, ones. So right answer 10 crore, 10 lakh. After that, lakh, and then 10,000, and then thousand, and then hundred, tens, and then one. So that is the answer. And then fourth question. How many 10,000s are there in the smallest 6-digit number? First, smallest 6-digit number. Write down. Smallest number means first digit 1. So 6 digits. First digit is 1 and others are 0. So what is the number? 1 lakh. So 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. Then what's the question? How many 10,000s are there in smallest 6-digit number? It means number of 10,000 is in 1 lakh. Means 1 lakh divided by 10,000. Cancel the 0 from the right side. So 4 zeros are cancelled and then remaining is 10. So 10,000s over there in 1 lakh. Now with the sum using the digits 5, 2, 0, 7, 3 form the largest 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. First, largest 5-digit number. Largest means write the numbers in descending order. We get largest 5-digit numbers. So 7 and then 5. Descending order means big to small. So 7, 5 and then 3, 2, 0. In Indian system, what is the number? 75,320 is the largest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number. Now writing ascending order. Ascending order 0, 2, 3, 5, 7. In Indian system, put the commas here. So how will you read the 2357? That is only 4 digit. Listen, they ask 5 digit number. So replace the numbers 0 and 2. We get 20357. So put comma here. Now the number is 20,357 is the smallest 5 digit number. Now sixth one. Observe the commas and write down the base value of 7. What's that? It is in Indian system. So how will you read the number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and then crore, 10 crore. So 56 crore, 74 lakhs, 56,345. Now write down the place value of 7. That is 7 here in lakh, 10 lakh place. So the place value of 7 in 56 crores, 74 lakhs, 56,345 is which place here? 10 lakhs. So 70 lakhs. That is the answer. So after 7, you put zeros in the answer. Here it is an international system. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 billion. So the place value of what is the place value of 7 here? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million. So 7 million. After 7, put the zeros. So that is in international system. We put the commas like that. Seventh question. Write the following numbers in the international system by using commas. Very easy. In international system, how many numbers before we put commas here? We put comma here. So that is only answer. Very easy. So how will you read out that? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. So 347,056. And then here second one 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Before 3 digits only we put commas in international system. Here how will you read that? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and then million. So 7,345,671. And then third one 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 0, 5. Now in the international system we put commas here and again 3 digits before put here. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So 634,567,000. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. International system. So put commas before 3 digits, again 3 digits, and again 3 digits. Now ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, and billion. So how will you read out that? 1 billion, 234 million, 567,890. Now the eighth one. Write the largest 6-digit number and put commas in the Indian and international system. What is the 6-digit largest number? Largest number means largest 6-digit number. 6-digit. What will come? 9,99,999. That is the largest 6-digit number. In Indian system, how will you put commas here? 6 digits. So first 3 digits before and then 2 digits. So 9,99,999. Now in international system, same 6-digit largest number. So before 3 digits, we put commas here. How will you read out that? 999,999. Now ninth one. Write the number names of the following numerals in the Indian system. First, read out the base values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 75 lakh, 32,105. Write the number name. Lakh, 32,000, and then 105. That is the answer. So number names in Indian system. Here also read the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and then crore. So 9 crores, 75 lakh, 63,453. Write down the number name. 9 crore. Don't put commas while writing the number names. So 75 lakh, 63,000, and then 453. That is the answer. The 10th question. Write the number names in words using the international system. In 9th sum, use the Indian system. Now, in the international system, first Read out the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. So write the number name. $345,000. $678. So next one, read out the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and then million. So 8,343,710. Write the name. 8,000,000 343,000 and 710. Now the third one, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and then million, 10 million, 100 million. So 103,456,789. 3,456,000 and then 789. Eleventh one, write the number name in numerals. They given the number names. We have to write the numeral numbers. So first, 2 crores 30 lakh 51,980. So 2 crores 30 lakh and then 51,980. So put commas, ones, tens, hundreds. Here 1,000, 10,000, 51,000, and then 30 lakh. So before 2 digit we put comma. 2 crores 30 lakh 51,980. And then second one, 66,345,027. 66,345,027. 100 is not there, so put commas for zeros for the zero for that, and then 27. So 66,345,027. And the last one, 789,213,456. 89 million 213 and 456. Now million means it is in international system, so put commas before three numbers. Read out the number 789,213,456. Now the 12th one, Tamil Nadu has about 26,345 square kilometer of forest land. Write the number mentioned in the statement in the Indian system. So answer, they given the number name. Write in the numeral. So 26,345. It is an Indian system. So before 3 digit, we put comma, square kilometer. So that will be the answer. Now the 30th one, the number of employees in the Indian Railways is about 10 lakhs. Write this in the international system of numerals. First 10 lakhs in the Indian system. It is an Indian system. They ask international system. Now, before 3 digit we put commas. So answer 1 million. 1 tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. That is in international system. Now, fill in the blanks. First one, the smallest 7-digit number. Smallest 7-digit number. First digit is 1, others are 0. 7 digit. So put 1 here. So what is the number? 10 lakh. 10 lakh is the smallest 7-digit number. The largest 8-digit number. We put commas here. Largest 8-digit number. Largest means form of 9. How do you read out? 9 crores, 99 lakh, 99,999 is the 8 digits largest number. Place value of 5 teams. 70 lakh, 5,380 is 5,000. 1 tens, 100s, 1,000. It is in 1,000 place. So write down 5,000. Fourth one, the expanded form of the number 76 lakh 70,905 is. Expanded form means put 7 here, first digit, but also 0. So 70 lakh plus 6 lakhs and 70,000 plus 0 is there, not value here, plus 900 plus 0. So no need to write 5. That is the expanded form of that number. Say true or false. First one, in the Indian system of numeration, the number 67999037 is written as. In Indian system, put the commas 3 digits before and 2 digits before. So, how will you read out this? Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 6 crore, 79 lakhs, and 99,037. So that is right. So say true. Next one. Successor of a one-digit number is always a one-digit number. Is it true? Now, for example, 9 is the one-digit number. Successor means add 1 to the number, we get 10. That is 2 digit. So, it is false statement. And third one, predecessor of your 3-digit number is always a 3 or 4-digit number. Listen, 3-digit number is always a 3 or 4-digit number. 3-digit number. What is the predecessor of 100? Subtract 1 from that, we get 99. That is 2-digit number. It is only 2-digit number, but they given 3 or 4-digit number. So that is also false statement. And then here 88,888. In expanded form, 88,000. That is 80,000 base in first 8. 18, 10,000 is correct. And then second digit 8 is in 1000 place. So here 8 into 1000 will come, but they given 8 into 100. So that is false statement. Okay children, I hope you are all understand these exercises. Practice well, and so you can do example sums also. See you again in the next exercise. Thank you.